What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this gorgeous looking OMODA C9 in matte black. Now as you can see, there was, and on the road you can see a matte grey version. It already looks stunning, and this time around they have a black version which looks gorgeous, as you can see from this footage that I'm shooting right now. Now let us first start off with the front of the car before we move right into the interior. Now take a look at the front lights. Now you do have this bar of light which I will turn on later to show it to you. I love the lines that go from left to right, and also at the same time they're using all the way here LED premium vision, it says on the side. Love the black housing that's happening on the inside part right there, together with this gloss black package that they have on this side, together with this sort of like design like finish for the front grille, which looks stunning. At the bottom here you got this matte finish of a surface. This is a matte finish black, but this is like a greyish finish. That's also very nice indeed. Now for the hood on top, you have these lines that look aggressive, as you can actually get from the shade light that comes in from there to here. OMODA wording in this chrome finish, which looks absolutely nice. Now you get your camera right here as well. You got your radiator on the inside part right there. Number plate goes right here. You got your ADAS sensor on this side, and you get some opening right here as well, together with this gloss black finish that's happening at the front right here. So gorgeous finish indeed. Now this is a engine. It's located right at the front right here. I'm going to close that. Okay, cool. So for the side right here, as you can see, similar towards the left side. Now we're going to move on to the side. You have the matte finish texture of the front right here, goes along the whole across the wheel arch and goes all the way to the back. Now you do get your gorgeous finish of a 20-inch wheel design, 245/50 R20, and solid disc brakes happening on the inside part right there. You got your red calipers over here. Love the black finish of a wheel. Michelin tires is what they're using, so that's even more nice. You got the side finish right here in this black gloss, which looks stunning. You also get the gloss black finish on this side, under part of the mirror, together with your camera located on this side, as well as the matte finish of a side mirror. Now you do get the gloss black finish that goes across the whole side of the car. Whatever you see in white, don't worry about it, because this is actually to protect the black housing, so we will peel this off later on when you're taking delivery of the car. You get your handle that goes in and out whenever you lock the car, and at the bottom right here you got this matte texture like finish from the front, similar towards the side, and the gloss black from the front part of the bumper that's shared across the side of the car as well, together with the back part, which I'll show you to in a while more. Now let's open up the passenger door, and first thing you'll see is this gorgeous finish of a leather interior. Beautiful touch. Love how they have this sort of like a blinking blind spot to let you know that there's somebody on the outside. Seat adjustments electronically adjustable. You get this gloss black finish as well, and pulsating kind of like a warning sign, which looks absolutely nice. PV kind of like material. Got this leather finish on the inside. Love the stitching that goes across in that certain design. Window adjustments up and down over here. You get your manual handle to open up the door, and you get your handle to hold to pull to close the door. You even got the electronic button to open up the door. Sound system speaker by Sony. Beautiful. Compartment storage down here. Love the hard cover of the door that's happening on this side and this side. Amazing. Now for the OMODA wording right here, the side black in this finish. Beautiful matte design finish as well. Now for the interior part of the car, I'm going to show you the seats. Looks good. Now let's jump right in, show you guys the interior part of the car. Passenger wise, you get the red light, similar towards the side pulsating feature, but you have it in this wavy sort of like way. Amazing dashboard design. Love the ambient lighting that goes across the whole corner of the door. Sony speakers right there. You got the screen that is waving from left to right, of course in this curvature kind of a feeling. Wireless charging that happens down here. You got your temperature adjustment, your different driving modes, I believe, together with your air circulation. And this part right down here, cup holders, compartment storage, and of course you got other storage places down here as well. So looks really good. You have your opening up of the glove compartments on this side, and this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black. You got this suede like finish at the top right here that goes across the whole side. Beautiful touch. You got your shade for the glass roof right on top there as well. You got your frameless mirror on this side, and of course to open up the shade is on this side as well. Love the steering finish. We'll get to that shortly, but before that, as you can see, this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. I'll get right down and open up the rear to show you guys how does the rear part look like. So you do have your amazing doors, as you can see. Seat adjustments on this side. Wait a minute, seat adjustments for the backrest, I believe. Yeah, you can't really move the bottom seat, but you can adjust the backrest to make it be as comfortable as you can get. Sony speakers on this side, window adjustments, opening up the door handle like here, handle to hold to pull to close the door, handle to hold to open up the door as well. Right here there's a button. Compartment storage down here as well. You got your OMODA side plate. So the front one is basically a lighted one, and this one right here is not lighted, so it's just a wording. Let's get right in and take a look. This one right here is your side vents for your air vent. Got your compartment storage down here, air vent adjustments on this side. You got your USB-A and USB-C connectivities over here, so that's kind of nice. Seat adjustments for the front. You can even move the front seat if you wish to. It's all over here. That's for the passenger only. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. You get your seat belts in black, and yep, on this side, let's put this down. 2 cup holders located on here. Cool. And let's jump right in to center first. So headroom is good. I adjusted the backrest to get it to the most reclined position as possible. Let's open up the doors. You get your Sony speaker right here. Let's try the electronic button. Cool. And let's open up the manual one. Nice indeed. So let's get right down and show you guys the wheel design. So you do have your Michelin tires as well, 245 50 R20. You get your black finish of a wheel together with the red calipers, solid disc brakes on the inside part as well. Now, okay, so let's move to the rear of the car. For that, this is where you fill your petrol, right here. It's kind of cool. So let's take a look at the rear part, guys. Amazing finish. Once again, I love the tail lights that have this sort of like design. We'll turn them on later to show it to you. Get the OMODA wording right here in chrome. You got your back wiper right here. You got your brake lights located right this side, and you got your antenna that's going all the way there. Love this design as well. Looks damn cool. Now you get your side reflectors that are located right here. Love the aggressive look for the so-called design like of the rear bumper with this exhaust tailpipes that you get right here. Check out the underneath. Looks amazing. Love the black finish right here together with the center black finish as well. C9, this way your number plate goes. Your 360 camera is located right there. Let's open up the doors. Sorry, the rear boot, and you will notice you get your amazing subwoofer located right there as well. Underneath right here you get your spare wheel and also your warning triangle together with your repair kit. Of course, that is to jack up the car. And this shade that goes across for you to cover what you actually want to keep on this side. So the rear seats you can fold down if you wish to. Let's get that done. Let's do this. Pull it right down and check out the space. Amazing finish of your rear space you guys get. What about the view from here? Looks good. And what about this side right here? So that's the amount of space that you guys get for the rear part, and it looks absolutely spacious. Take a look once more. Plenty of storage space, man. So even this part right here, you can remove this railing if you wish to, and you can store higher things, bigger boxes on the inside part. So that's kind of cool. Now let's jump right into the driver's seat and take a look. So first thing you'll notice, love the interior once again for the door side. You get your rear window adjustments, front window adjustments, and of course to open up the doors right here, the handle to open up the doors, electronic button right here as well. You get your memory seats available for the driver side, 3 memory seats. You got your leg extensions over this side. You got your unlock and lock on this side. Sony speaker right here. You get your compartment storage down here together with the opening up of the boot down there. OMODA wording right there. C9 wording on the carpet. Accelerator pedals and brake pedals in this chrome finish. Very nice touch. You get your DRLs, which we'll turn them on later to show it to you. In the meantime, we leave it in auto. You got your side mirror adjustments, lightings. You got your handbrake, leather finish right here. Let's hop right in. Take a look at the seats. Fantastic layout. Now, on the inside part right here, looks damn cool. I like what I see. OMODA wording in this chrome finish. Love all these lighted up touch sensitive buttons. Of course, not really touch, but you have to put pressure on it, but it's lighted up. You gotta put your hand on it. And love this sort of wooden like texture for this part and this part right here. Love the flat bottom steering to make it look as sporty as you can get. Screen looks fantastic. And yep, AC auto. You got your start button on this side. So it's kind of cool, man. I like how they have all of this design. And this is me sitting comfortably right at the front. Driver's seat. Seatbelts are in black. You get your mirror located on this side to get it with some sort of shade. Once again, the shade at the top, you can actually choose to put it down. And yeah, this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. We'll turn the DRLs on to show it to you. Let's get right down. Got your negative shift, you got positive shift. Of course, you get your gear lever is on this side together with the wipers on this side. Damn cool. So let's get right down and take a look at the front. Now, the front part right here looks absolutely stunning. Let's take a nice cover photo of the front, and it looks damn cool. Love the DRLs, as you can see, with which how they are partitioned and cut in such a way to make it look very luxurious and nice. Love this light bar that goes across from the side all the way down. That's something stunning which I personally love about this car. Love the bar that's lighted up in the centerpiece right here of the car as well. Damn cool. So your main headlights are located right underneath. That's nice. Now let's take a look at the rear to show you guys how does the back part look like. Let's put this down and take a look at the rear part. So you do have your tail lights on this side. Damn cool. The bar right here, love how it's separated as well in such a way. Damn cool. Now what about the hazard lights? Turn them on, show it to you. Perhaps they are right. Yep. They're right on top. So signal lights are located on this side right here for the mirror. And for the front part of the car, that white bar still remains, the center bar still remains, but for the main lights, you have it waving from left to right. This is damn cool, man. I like what I see. So how about the rear? You get this sort of design. Energy matrix is what they call it. Damn cool, man, dude. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about JAECOO cars, currently I'm at Glenmarie, as you can see. Beautiful place where you guys can purchase your very own JAECOO. They have tons of cars that are in JAECOO all over the place right here, guys. Plenty of cars, different kinds of colors that you guys can see and you guys can choose. Beautiful place to be. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.